MoeTheDriver, dangerously undermedicated.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. If you see, this is the Taco 2J project. It's like Taco Tuesday, but better, you know. Anyway, so this is it in its current form. I actually have new bumper on here. We got new headlights. The grill is actually in the passenger side because we're going to put that in a little bit. But it looks better already. If you guys saw what it looked like last time, I'll try to post a picture up here. And it's so much better, but we are sending this to the body shop and see what we can do for a small price. We're going to see if we can get this thing cleaned up, see if we can get some of these rust out and some of the dents out. And it doesn't look too bad, but I mean, it looks like crap in my driveway, and it's not good for my neighborhood. So I did take the bumper off. I can't get the bumper supports off because they are rusted on, so we'll see about that another time. Maybe the body guy will take it off. This is all the junk I've taken off so far. The back bumper was like, I mean, just ruined. So it'd been in an accident at some point and got screwed up pretty bad. Front bumper, old grill, wiring harness from this other thing that I'm going to show you. And here's the bad part. If you guys see this big old dent right here, we'll try to get that out. All these little other dents, small dents, we'll try to see if we can get those out. The body guy takes those out. Body guy's gonna take that one out. That's the main thing. And this crushed area here, see if we can get that taken care of. And you got a little dent here in the door, and there's nothing wrong with that, but we'll see if we can get all that stuff taken care of, and then maybe we'll get this paint cleaned up a little bit right here. But there's the normal paint jobs underneath it, so it's kind of weird how the owner or someone else painted a rattle can over the top of perfectly good paint, I guess. So we're gonna see what we can do about that. But yeah, man, the Taco 2J is on its way out to the body shop today. It'll be back in a week or two, and we'll see what we can do with that. Now, why are we calling it a Taco 2J? Well, obviously, there's a reason. And hi, Sion, hi. So this is right here, my friends, 2JZ. Look at that, in my garage with all the rest of the junk, 2JZ. So this 2J is gonna go in that truck, and then it will be a Super Taco. So Super Taco on the way. We're gonna clean this motor up while that's in the shop, then take that and put it in that. Then we're gonna go Ford 9-inch or 8.8, Ford 8.8, and TH400 trans. Big turbo, see what we can get. See if we can break it. Actually, we're gonna try to prevent from breaking it a little bit. So I got this little box here, and it has pistons and rods from the 2JZ GTE. That is the GE. So GE has really weak, thin rods. I saw a comparison the other day for the first time, and I was like, holy shit, like what the hell are they doing, Toyota? But anyway, the GE rods are really thin, so about 400 horsepower they're letting go. Those GTE rods can last up to 800-900, depends on if you're lucky. So that looks like a really good set. So we're gonna see what we can do, see if we can get 800 or 900 horsepower to the wheel horsepower to this car, truck, whatever you want to call it, soon. We're gonna see if we can get this thing ready by spring, and see if we can get it down the track. You know, I just got it registered and all that stuff, so it kind of drives around kind of clunky, and that's because it's got a 2RZ that's got 256,000 miles on it and needs some work. So we're gonna go ahead and refresh this 2J, put it in here, and get on down the road. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Taco 2J en route. Hey, make sure you like and subscribe. Get ready to see the Taco 2J. All races, man. We're gonna race everything under the sun. We're trying to get to 7 seconds, somewhere in there. 7 seconds. We'll see what we can do. Yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and get ready for Taco 2J. And don't forget about the Hellcat, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget about the machinery. I mean, hey, make sure you go to the socials, like, subscribe, share. The Hellcat's done. We're sitting at 900 wheel on the Hellcat right now, and you know, my famous race gas Q16. So I mean, don't forget the Hellcat. I mean, maybe one day we'll even race Hellcat versus Taco 2J. We'll see if we can get I don't know, somebody else to drive one of them. I don't know which one I want somebody else to drive. But anyway, hey, like, subscribe, share. Get ready. See ya.